Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 10 best small drone reviews, available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 10 small drone reviews. Number 1. Global Drone GW66 Mini RC Drones. There are some drones that are designed with the needs of a beginning pilot in mind. Whether you are looking to fly indoors or outside, this mini drone's durability and easy one-button controls allow you to learn how to fly a drone before you get way ahead of yourself and have to deal with the results of a crash you didn't see coming. As a gift for kids, there are few mini drones that are better on the market. Great mini drone for novice pilots, especially useful for helping kids learn about flying drones. Autolocator eliminates the navigation problems that lead to crashes when bringing the drone back from flight. One-button controls eliminate much of the flying guesswork. Number 2, Holy Stone HS150. One of the best ways to have fun with small drones is to race them. Of course, with racing comes more opportunities to crash and ruin the mini drone, so you need a racing quadcopter that is extremely durable and can handle the high speeds needed for racing. There are 2 modular batteries that will give you double the flight time included in the box. When you break out this impressive mini drone, you will notice right away there are 5 different speeds. For the novice racing pilot, this is the ideal way to train yourself to navigate courses. Ideal for young mini drone pilots to learn how to race drones. Plenty of extras in the package help make mini drone flying more fun. Fast acceleration reaches up to 30 miles per hour for a true racing experience. Number 3, Syma X21W. If you are looking for a mini quadcopter that allows you to take great pictures, then this Syma model is very much the one for you. There are many things that allow this mini drone to work beautifully for both novice pilots and veterans. One of the most interesting features is the flight plan function. This is where you can create a route on the interface, and the mini drone automatically goes along that path. One example of a feature that helps novice pilots learn how to maneuver. Another interesting feature is the Syma Go app. This app includes the flight plan functionality, but it also helps you learn the different ins and outs of flying the mini drone. One thing that is enjoyable is the altitude hold and hover function. Syma Go app makes it much easier for novices to learn how to be great pilots. One key takeoff and landing eliminate the need for steady hands during crash-prone moments. Hold and hover at altitude stabilizes photos and video. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 4, Potenza K20 Quadcopter. When you are looking for a drone that is durable and appropriate for all ages, this Potenza drone is ideal. It's particularly good for families looking to make heading out into nature and flying a drone part of the fun routine. You can also use this drone when flying indoors. Because the propellers have shrouds protecting them, you don't need to worry about crashing the way you would with other mini drones. Though the price point is low, it is deceptive because there are a number of great features built into it. There are 3 speed settings, and you can control altitude as well. A headless mode is an option on this mini drone too. Because there are a lot of safeguards built into this particular model, you can't worry too much about the different pitfalls that come with learning how to fly a mini drone. Ideal drone for beginners, as it's built to withstand crashes. Controls for altitude help newbies avoid basic flight problems. Unbeatable price point compared to other drones. Number 5, Tello Mini Drone. Having great components is a key to success with any item that is computerized, and the Tello Mini Drone is one of the best examples of this. With component parts from Intel and DJI, there are great software programs that allow these mini drones to fly with great effectiveness and responsiveness. The lightweight and durable design of the mini drone ensures that you can have fun flying it without worrying too much about any damage that could come from a crash. There are several other software features built in that make sharing videos incredibly easy. In fact, with this mini drone, it is very easy to stay connected to all things and memorialize all the fun you and your family have with it. Nearly 15 minutes of flight time. The camera is one of the best on the market. Intel and DJI tools provide seamless software efficiency. Number 6, Altair A108. Many people love to fly drones and mini drones because of their ability to take unmatched photos and video. Indeed, when looking at the world through the camera of a mini drone, you can see things quite differently than what you originally thought you were looking at. The Altair camera has a wide-angle 120-degree camera rated at 720p HD. Taking high-definition pictures and video with this mini drone is not simply a possibility, it is a routine on every flight. The camera is one of the best found on any drone, whether full-size or mini. Long flight time means you don't have to rush to take great photos and video. Technology built-in allows for novice pilots to learn with ease on this model. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 7, Hubsan X4H107L. Having a trusted brand when you buy anything is important, and mini drones are no exception. The reality is, brands are trusted because they have great marks on reliability and several other smart features. In terms of mini drones, there are many top performers manufactured by Hubsan. The pilots who are most knowledgeable about flying mini drones are big fans of this particular model. Hubsan is a well-respected brand in the mini drone space. Propeller protector allows novice pilots to make mistakes without fearing catastrophic crashes. LED lights illuminate low flight paths. Number 8, DJI Spark. Having a mini drone means that you are trying to be smart with your money, but if you have a larger budget then you can get some amazing features. This mini drone is one of those cases. This mini allows you to do a lot of different things, including having one of the best cameras available and a long flight time. One of the biggest complaints that many drone pilots have is that pictures are not stable. This mini drone offers a dual-axis gimbal that keeps the mini drone in a stable position while you take photos and video. The camera itself is also quite powerful. With the ability to capture 12-megapixel photos and 1080p HD videos, it is just as impressive as cameras on smartphones. Lots of intuitive features that make flying much easier and more fun. The camera is among the most powerful on any mini drone. A 2-axis gimbal is a game changer in making your photos and video stable. Number 9, Drone Scatter. In terms of being compact and portable, it doesn't get much more convenient than the Drone. This foldable design is favored not just by manufacturers but by mini drone enthusiasts as well. With the controller working as a case to carry the mini drone as well, you can be wildly efficient when taking your mini drone out into nature to take some amazing pictures and video. Finally, when you use the altitude hold, along with one-button takeoff and headless mode, you'll see how this mini drone makes flying easier. The one-touch function button ensures that your mini drone can spin and hover at the same altitude as well. Lots of features to make flying fun and intuitive. Portability is easy with this mini drone. VR, LED light, and one-touch button functionality gives mini drone pilots lots of options. Number 10, Cheerson CX-10C. There is a feeling with this particular mini drone that you can throw caution to the wind and enjoy yourself. That's because the design of the Cheerson is to do exactly that. When you decide it's time to fly, the Throw to Fly feature allows you to throw your quadcopter into the air and it will start flying. It doesn't get more fun, or efficient, than that. Finally, the 6-axis gyro system is a big part of this mini drone's appeal. It has a stable flight and a controller similar to those used on a video game. The camera allows you to take videos and photos. A strong body means that crashes are less likely to cause serious damage. 6-axis gyro helps novice pilots get a hang of flying this particular drone. So these are the best small drone reviews, which you can buy this year. If you know any other small drone reviews, which we missed in the video, you can tell us the name in the comment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe.